Hello student, I am your Khyati ma'am and today I will teach you chapter number 12 pattern. What is pattern? A repeated arrangement of numbers, colors and shapes. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. पैटर्न मतलब क्या होता है? यू ऑल नो कि रिपीटेडली इफ यू आर यूजिंग फिगर्स, शेप्स, ऑब्जेक्ट और इन अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर, सी दैट वी विल लर्न इन आगे की पीपीटी में आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. ओके, सी दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, दीज आर the different types of patterns. We can see different types of patterns in our daily life on different things, like on shirts, on bed sheets, on curtains, on sari. Okay, on clothes also we can see the different types of patterns. Now, types of patterns. How many types of patterns are there? 1. Patterns in geometrical shapes, patterns in numbers, patterns in alphabets and image patterns. Okay, these are the main types of patterns. Now, what is patterns in geometrical shapes? See children, there are two types of patterns. One is growing patterns and number 2 is repeated patterns. Okay, now let's see what is growing pattern and what is repeated pattern. Growing pattern. If some patterns are designed grow with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called growing patterns. See, in growing patterns you can see this is the example of growing pattern. Here you can see only one block is there, then 2 blocks are added, then again 3 blocks are added, and downsides also 2 blocks were there, then again 4 blocks were there, then again 2 were added. So what happened in this? Here patterns are things are growing. Okay, so this is called growing pattern. Now what is repeated pattern? If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. See children, repeat का मतलब क्या होता है? They will come again and again. Repeatedly one things will come. Okay, repeat means they will come again and again. See, if you will see the example, no, exactly you will come to know. See here, this is the example of repeated pattern. In first example you can see green circle is given, then purple triangle, again green, purple, green, purple, green. Now next what will come? Purple triangle. So here same thing will repeat again and again. So this is called repeated patterns, but in what? Geometrical shapes. Okay, now see children, we have made some patterns with pictures. Now we can make patterns with number 2. In previous slide we have seen there are lots of types of pattern. So now we will see patterns with numbers. What is patterns in numbers? Even in the numbers there are two types in patterns. Again in number also children, two types of patterns are there: growing pattern and repeated patterns. If some number pattern grow with odd and even numbers, they are called growing pattern. See children, if we will create a pattern using odd and even number, so that will grow. Okay, growing means that will come and increasing. That is called growing patterns. And everything you will come to know when you will see the example. Okay, see here the example of number pattern. See, in one number 1, 3, 5, 7, then blank blank. See, between 1 and 3 one number is missing. We have skipped number 2. Between 3 and 5, we skip number 4. Between 5 and 7, we skip number 6. So, after 7, which number will come? 9, because we have to skip number 8. And after 9, we have to skip number 10. So, what answer will get? 11. Okay. So, this is skip one number. Next one is multiple of 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30. So, which number will come next? 40. And after 40, which number will come? 50. Here what we did? We did multiple of 10. Right. Number 3, skip 2 numbers. See, in first we skip only one number. In number 3, what we did? We skipped 2 numbers. 10, then we skipped 11 and 12 here. Okay, so which number will come? 13. After 13, again 2 number we skip, that is 14 and 15. So which number will come? 16. After 16, again 2 number we skipped, 17 and 18. So which number will come next? 19. After 19, 20 and 21 we skip. So which number will come? 22. So this is the example of growing pattern in numbers. Now what is repeated pattern in numbers? Same like geometry. See children, if some numbers pattern repeat with odd and even numbers, they are called repeated patterns. Here what will come? See, here numbers will return. Even and odd numbers will repeat. Or repeat ka meaning to you all know, which will come again and again repeatedly. Okay, that is called repeated pattern in numbers. Let's see the example. See, in 1, 744, 744, 744. So again what number will come? 744. 744. Here we haven't skipped anything. Here we are repeating the number. Okay. Here we are repeating the number. That's why we can say this is a repeated pattern in numbers. See the next example. 156. 156. 156. So next which number will come? Obviously 156. 156. Clear? Number 3. See number 3. 101. 102. Again 101. So which number will come? 102. Then 101. If we will write again, then which number will come? 102. Okay. So this is the repeated patterns in numbers. Now patterns in alphabet, students. Like that also, like geometrical and numbers, here also 2 types of pattern you will find. That is growing pattern and repeated pattern. Rules are the same. Okay. ABC, see, we'll see the growing pattern. ABC, DEF, GHI. So here what we did? We did nothing. We are writing in a sequence because alphabets are they are increasing, they are growing. Okay. ABC, then DEF. DEF के बाद what will come? GHI. I के बाद JKL. After L, MNO. Here nothing rules will apply. Okay. We have to just grow the letters. Okay. Now see. Small a, capital A. Small b, capital B. Small c, capital C. Small d, capital D, like that. Small e, capital E. And small here. See, here one mistake was there. Here again what will come? Small f and capital F. Okay. Now repeated pattern. See the repeated pattern. Again same rules. Either numbers, geometrical shape, whatever be there, we have to just repeat that thing. Okay. AAB, AAB, AAB. So again what will come? AAB. Like that in second example. Okay, student. And this is the image pattern. Check. Here in image pattern, you can see 2 purple insect are there, then 1 yellow, 2 pink and 1 yellow. Downside, see, you will see, if you will observe, no, again here growing and here repeated things will come. So rules will apply in every if you are using either number, either you are using alphabet, image pattern, the definition will be same. Okay, in growing, in repeatedly, everything will change, only the object will change. Clear, students? And this chapter is very easy and you will love to learn this chapter. Okay, now let's practice mixed pattern. 10, 20, 30, 40. So here what next number will come? 50, then 60. Now next AA, BB, CC, DD. So next what will come? EE and FF. Now downside geometrical patterns, 2 example is given, then number is given, then again geometrical shape is given. Okay, so like this you will see some different kinds of practice exercises in your textbook. So you have to do this. As much as practice you will do, you will learn more. Okay, students, I hope you like this and you will practice maths. Okay, bye bye students, have a nice day.